Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to download Ubuntu Linux and create a bootable USB using Rufus on Windows. First, open your browser and go to ubuntu.com. Click Download at the top. Click Ubuntu Desktop. Click Download LTS. This is the latest long-term support version. Wait for the ISO file to finish downloading. Now open a new tab and go to rufus.ie. Click Download and choose the latest version of Rufus. Open the Rufus file. You do not need to install it. Insert your USB flash drive. In Rufus, under Device, make sure your USB drive is selected. Next to Boot selection, click Select. Choose the Ubuntu ISO file you just downloaded. Leave file system as FAT32. Click Start. If prompted, choose Write in ISO image mode, then click OK. Click OK again to confirm formatting. Wait until the status shows ready. Now your Ubuntu bootable USB is complete. Restart your computer and enter the boot menu, usually by pressing F12, F9, or Escape. Select your USB drive to start installing Ubuntu. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.